So what is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Talking about the OnePlus OS. This is OnePlus 6 OS, Oxygen OS for the Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9S, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Poco M2 Pro. A Miatoll build which I've installed it on my Redmi Note 9 Pro Cortana device, and it is actually not that great. I don't think so you'll be able to use it as your daily driver. But the thing is, it includes a lot of interesting features. It has all the Android 11 related apps. For example, Oxygen OS Android 11 related apps and some interesting things which I'm gonna share with you. First of all, as you can see, it has a March security patch alongside with it's based on Android version 10, and it's far more better than Android version 11, as you already know. And the latest security patch is also there, which is March security patch, and comes with the Agni kernel pre-installed. And yes, the performance seems to be damn interesting. The smoothness is there. Everything seems to be quite good actually. Talking about the quick settings panel, you can see the rounded UI everywhere. We have the rounded corners there, and it's not just about quick settings, but every kind of thing is there. Mobile data, touch, etc. Some basic things are just working perfectly fine. Did got any these kind of bugs available there? We have the screen recorder related tile options available there also, but let me show you that how is the screen recorder things, some settings which we get here. For example, if I move on to settings and check out some things, resolution, we have the resolution of up to 4K, bitrate which you can adjust. You can also record screen up to 60 fps, which is actually quite good, where you can simply record at 30 fps, 24 fps, 15 fps, but 60 fps is quite good. You can also customize some other things, video orientation, hide floating widget, and some other interesting things. So screen recorder is there. If you want to record screen at 60 fps, this might be a very good choice for you. It comes with all those interesting Oxygen OS related things. Oxygen OS apps are available there. The performance seems to be quite good. If you hold and check out the home settings, the updated Oneplus Launcher is available there. You don't need to update it from the Google Play Store. It also comes with the icon pack from Oxygen OS 11. The default icon pack is also there, but you can simply enable the Oxygen OS 11, which comes with interesting features also, hidden space related things, launcher layout, we have the quick search gestures, and a lot more things. Talking about the default wallpapers which you get here, for example, we have many interesting live wallpapers available. You can simply apply any kind of live wallpaper directly. You don't require any kind of internet connection for this. It will take a little bit of time to apply, and after that it's just done. This is how you can simply easily apply these live wallpapers right now on your device, and all these things are inspired from the Oxygen OS 11, but it's actually available as Android. It's actually available on Android version 10. Talking about the safety status, the thing is, safety net status, I'm not able to check it out. I tried a lot of times, but I'm not sure why it's not working here. I even tried with mobile data, I tried with Wi-Fi. Every time I tried, but I was just not able to pass. I was not able to check out the safety net status, even though it's not showing in any kind of other apps. I tried yesterday some apps and deleted those, but I was not able to check it out. And let me just try it out once again by simply searching it on the Google Play Store, so that let's check it out if the safety net status is passing or not, or if I'm able to check it out or not. The device Play Protect is actually not certified. The device seems to be not certified, and if the safety status is also not certified, you can simply check it out about Magic modules through which you can pass the safety net status. And if you don't know how you can pass the safety net status, I have a dedicated video already available for that, so make sure to check out that. Let me try it once, that how is the safety net status and if it is passing or not. Click on install. It's only about 2.1 MB app. You can simply install this app on your device to check it out if your device safety status is passing or not. So let's just open it and wait for it to just run the test, and wait for it if it is working fine or not. And as you can see, it's just not showing anything. I tried a lot of times, but I was not even able to check it out the safety net status. I got actually a lot of bugs here which I'm on gonna share with you, like safety net status is not able to, I am not able to check out the safety net status. When I tried to plug the charger in my device the first time, it gave me random reboot, which is actually not acceptable. A lot of major bugs are available there. You get the OnePlus camera pre-installed, which is actually non-usable. You'll not be able to use the portrait mode, you'll not be able to use other options. These are kind of just a show off, but nothing else is just working. So it's kind of no use, and I don't know why the developer released this build with a lot of extra with a lot of extra bugs. You can still not be able to open the settings in the OnePlus camera, so kind of no use, but it's just up to you. We have other alternatives available there, for example the Gcam. Yes, the Gcam is there, and I'm using right now maybe the Gcam 8.1 version here. Let me just show you by going into settings, and here it is. The screen is just frozen, and I'm not even able to use my device. As you can see, the screen is frozen, and this is why I just don't like this build a lot. A lot of users already use this and got a lot of bugs there. They just changed that build, and this is why I'm not gonna use it. So I just tried to reboot my device, and after reboot, as you can see, we're just gonna reboot. And I will not recommend you to use this build on your device. It's just up to you still if you want to use this, but I will not recommend you. I'm just making a review. I'm just gonna sharing with you my experiences that why you shouldn't use this room. If you're getting this download link anywhere, if you want to download this, if you want to use this, make sure to check out this and make sure to share this video to that user so that he will find some bugs there and then rethinks again that if he wanna choose this build over other interesting builds out there. Even the OxygenOS 11 build is available there, and why gonna choose this build instead of that OxygenOS 11 if you still wanna use that? But it's better to use AOSP. That's quite better. It includes all the OxygenOS apps, actually the latest gallery from OxygenOS 11. Like that, we have other interesting apps, the file manager from the OxygenOS. The apps which you get from the OxygenOS are actually quite good. I sometimes use them, and I have a dedicated video on how you can get these apps on other devices like the AOSP ROMs and other things. It's just up to you. Talking about some extra features like the display related settings, yes, the options are available there. The ambient display etc seems to be working. Double tap to wake seems to be working here, and some interesting things I've already shown you. Customizations include the themes, you can simply adjust them, and almost every OnePlus feature is available there. The font from OnePlus Slate is also customized one. This is not the normal OnePlus Slate font which you get in OxygenOS 11 and other devices, but in this build we have the different kind of options. The Dolby Atmos is removed from there. It's not available. By the way, that was not even working, but it's still up to you. Buttons and gestures, navigation bar gestures, quick gestures, everything from OnePlus is there. But talking about the Facelock, it's dead. It's not even working. I tried to enable that, but it's not working. It's mentioned there. Facelock will not work for other devices also, but still if you want to install it, link for this build is in the description. This is all from today's short and simple video. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.